Hi there, join me, Savvy Tech Grandma, as I sort through the chaos of Black Friday, finding my 4 best deals for all you techies. I scoured Amazon to find the best deals on quality products, and here are my favorite 4. Be sure to stay to the end to see my very favorite pick. They're not in order of least to best. Here is the first one. This one is for you gamers. It's an Asus laptop. It has a 13th gen i7 processor with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 graphics card, 16 gigs of DDR5 RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, and it's Wi-Fi 6E capable. It has an intelligent cooling system. You know how important that is. Specialized gaming keyboard, a very responsive display, especially designed for gaming. The NVIDIA graphics card provides full ray tracing and higher frames per second. A 90-watt battery with rapid Type-C charging. It is 21% off, and it gets a 4.3 star rating. Number 2, the Amazon Fire 7 for kids. And this is the most recent model. It's guaranteed not to break for up to 2 years. They'll just replace it for free. It has an app for parental control where the parent can adjust the child's age for the appropriate content. It includes 1 year subscription to Amazon Kids Plus with lots of fun and educational content. It's half off the normal price and has a 4.4 star rating. Number 3, Skull Candy over-the-ear headphones. Includes a charging cable. They have a 50-hour battery life, a noise-canceling mic, wireless multi-point pairing, which allows it to connect to multiple devices simultaneously, hands-free control. It has the Crusher Tech bass. It's a bass booster with a slider adjustment so you can increase or decrease the amount of bass. It's 44% off and has a 4.6 star rating. Finally, my favorite pick, number 4. If you've been waiting to get a 3D printer, you may want to have a look at this one. Flash Force 3D printer. It has automatic bed leveling, 12 times ultra-fast printing, a 3-second nozzle change, dual channel cooling, a direct extruder, 35-second warm-up up to 200 degrees Celsius, superior print quality, and it has 4 different nozzle sizes. The max print temperature is 280 degrees Celsius, and it even has an app called App Flash Maker that allows for real-time monitoring of the print process. It creates smooth, seamless, string-free printing. It does need a separate enclosure for some of the different types of printing. It has a 4-star rating and it's 42% off. I will most likely be doing at least a couple more of these Black Friday tech videos in the next couple of weeks. I mean, it's not even Black Friday yet and the deals are already flooding the internet. Don't forget to head on over to my website where you can find all these products and my own fun reindeer gift tags. If you have found some Black Friday deals that you just want to share with everyone, please leave those comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video and you want to see more of these Black Friday deals. Bye for now.